Go.
Hello everyone. Today we have Subhi Jain, a student of IIJNM. Hi. Hi. So you are a resident of Bangalore, right? So tell us something about Bangalore, which we don't know.
Well, right now we're in IIJNM, which is not a part of Bangalore, honestly. It's in Kumbalguru, and this is not a part of the city. The city is very, very different, and we don't get an opportunity apart from beat days to really go there and see and explore the city. So um, there are a lot of misconceptions and stereotypes about the city, but it's not true. We haven't seen it, like students from IIJNM haven't. So I think if you would have done a course in the city and then been there in a hostel, it would have been a lot different. And as a Bangalorean, I totally love the city. I don't even, and no wonder I bunk so much and I'm not here.
If somebody asks you who is not from Bangalore to suggest a place or two places where that person can go, what will be those places?
See, if you have a bike or a car, I'd suggest you just take a ride and go to Mysore or something. It's like a real getaway from the city life. But in the city, if you're fond of food, there are a lot of food places. There's Wonderla, which is a good water park. I like it. And if you like, I know the 11:30 bar is really irritating, but you still have a lot of places with good music. And come to the city and call me. I'll let you know.
So Subhi, what are your future aspects?
Alright, after IJNM, I want to help my dad. That's been my dream since I was a child. He has two huge industries and he's getting old now. I want him to be home more often. So I want to talk to him and see if I can help him and be a part of his organization. It's a plastic industry and I know it's not related to journalism in any way. But what's the point of education if you can't get back home and apply in your own family and go to his office every single day after IJNM maybe. And even though my journalism career is going to be a little, I don't know, I mean, even though after having a post-grad degree I would not be maybe practicing journalism, it's still worth it. I mean, if my dad wants it, I'll do that. That's my future plan right now. But yes, I am going to be sitting for placements. If something really, really amazing comes up in Bangalore, then yes, I'm not looking at anything outside Bangalore. So yeah.
Okay, so this was Priyanka Ghosh with Subhi Jain. Hope you had a good time.